In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change content settings in Grok. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what each mode does so you can match Grok's behavior to your needs. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Grok AI. In the results, look for the official Grok site and click through to open it. This ensures you're on the right page before adjusting anything. Once you're on the Grok site, head into the app interface. You're looking for the content or mode selector. This is typically visible near the top of the chat area or within a settings or mode panel. You'll see several options that control how Grok responds. Start with auto. This is the easiest choice if you're not sure what to pick. Auto balances speed and depth for you, adjusting on the fly so you get a sensible response without micromanaging the settings. It's a great default when your tasks vary from quick questions to moderately detailed prompts. If you need rapid replies and you're working through lots of quick prompts, switch to fast. Fast prioritizes response time, which is helpful when you're brainstorming, iterating quickly, or gathering high-level answers without waiting for longer reasoning. When your task demands more thorough analysis, choose Expert. Expert is designed for richer, more detailed responses. It's useful for complex prompts, longer form explanations, or when accuracy and nuance matter more than raw speed. Expect a bit more processing time in exchange for added depth and clarity. Next, you'll see Heavy. Click on Heavy to select it if it's available to you. Heavy is a paid feature, so it may appear locked if your plan doesn't include it. This mode is intended for more intensive workloads, where greater capability can improve results on challenging problems. Finally, there's SuperGrok. Click on SuperGrok if it's visible in your account. Like Heavy, SuperGrok is also a paid feature and may require an eligible plan. It's positioned for top-end performance, offering even more robust handling for demanding tasks. As you switch between these modes, Auto, Fast, Expert, Heavy, and SuperGrok, Grok updates its behavior immediately so you can continue your conversation without starting over. If a paid mode is unavailable, simply continue with the best option you have access to. Remember, you can return to the selector and change modes at any time, depending on whether you want quicker turnarounds or deeper, more comprehensive answers. That's all there is to it. Search for Grok AI, open the official site, and choose the mode that best fits your task.